Okay, what do we have today?
LEDs. They're cool, but shadows aren't. Keep your lighting shadow free with Molex Lite-Trap connectors. Lite-Traps are wire-to-board connectors for downlights and strip lights, and they have a low profile to minimize shadowing. They also make installation and removal a snap, with low insertion force and a push-button latch for removal. You have 3 options: the standard, the mini, and the bottom entry. The standard and bottom entry are both rated for 9 amps, but the bottom entry is for serious shadow problems. It mounts to one side of the board with the housing sticking through an opening to make wire connections on the other side, giving you the smallest amount of housing exposure, as well as wiring from the rear side. You can also opt for the 3-amp mini Lite-Trap, which is 70% smaller than the standard Lite-Trap, so it can fit into tight spaces while still providing the ease of use of the Lite-Trap.